Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be an extremely easy job. It's only going to take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. This refrigerator door shelf is used for an additional storage at the bottom of the door. The main reason for the refrigerator door shelf to be replaced is if it's broken and falls off. Let's open the refrigerator door. To remove the old door shelf, we need to pull it up. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now, to install the new refrigerator door shelf, we need to match these tabs with two posts here and push it down to lock. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.